Hi guys, I'm Richard and welcome to my garage. Now I'm going to show you a problem we had with this Navara. It's a 2.5 diesel engine, and we had a most annoying sound in the engine when it was running, and I managed to fix it. It was very easy and very cheap, and all that I need to change was the O-ring. It's a rubber O-ring that seals a small piston. It's not this one, it's a smaller one. This one is just for showing. And the reparation cost, we're talking cents in dollars. I think I bought the whole kit with O-rings for about $20, and I used one. And I think the kit contains maybe 200 O-rings. So the price is nothing. But it's very easy, and I would like to show you now what I did. And so let's pop the hood. In Sweden, this is a very common car. Yes, the engine has its problems with rods breaking. But actually this one is good because I have fixed it. But the other problem was that the timing chain, which is behind this cover, was rattling. I think I can say rattling, because of the tension of the chain wasn't good enough. So let's take this cover off and I will show you the problem. And if you wonder, the EGR valve is disconnected and mounted the wrong way. It's just because we need the electronics to know that it's there, and we don't use it because this car is actually not a car, it's a tractor. Because in Sweden you can drive a car as a tractor when you're 15 years old. That's why. So let's take this one off. I have already started taking some screws off, and you need a 10 millimeter socket and a wrench. It's very appealing to put tools and stuff up in the intercooler, but I don't recommend that because then it will end up looking like this, and you will destroy the flanges on the intercooler. And of course, if you have the EGR mounted correctly, you need to take more things apart to do this job. And if you carefully take a screwdriver like this, very carefully, just bend a little bit. So that's all it takes. And in the bottom you have a guiding pin down there. So you need to wiggle it a little bit to get it off the guiding pin. That was easy. And make sure that the rubber seal isn't broken, because then if it's broken it will of course leak some oil. We can put this over there. And here you have the timing chain, and this one is a dual chain because it's an older engine. I'm not sure about this, but I think the newer engine got the single chain and the older engine got the dual chain. So I will remove this tensioner, okay, because this one works with hydraulic and uses the pressure from the engine oil to push the piston out and put pressure on the timing chain. And inside here is the O-ring that I'm going to show you. So we use an Allen key here to remove it. You must be really careful so you don't drop anything down here, because then you have a big problem. So, and make sure to get the washer too. And put some pressure on the piston so it won't pop off. This is the tensioner. And you have the feeding hole for engine oil pressure here. And the oil is coming out from this hole here. And now it's very important that you have something that's very clean. This one looks a little bit dirty, but it's actually clean because I just cleaned it. And here we have the piston and the spring. Okay. And inside here we have the O-ring. That is the big problem. And of course, after 15 years of use, it will wear out, most definitely. And then the oil will manage to pass by and you will lose the pressure. And of course, the tension on the chain will not be as it should be. And then the chain can make this noise. In this magnet pen, I have this needle, perfect for this work. And now I of course need to change it because I have damaged the O-ring with the rubber with the needle. There you go. So I use this kit that I have and I found the O-ring that fitted perfectly. I have both in inch and millimeters and I can't remember which one I used, so let's have a look. I think that's the one. No. 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 So this is the inch kit. So that's the seal that I use. Okay. Let's have a new one. And just put it back. It's better to use a wooden stick if you have. Like so. Perfect. And just do some massage and you will place it perfectly. So if I use a very, very small drill bit, I can put it in. Yeah. And you need some oil on the O-ring so the piston will slide down smooth. And be careful so you don't destroy the O-ring. There you go. And then you can lock it with this drill bit. Like so. So, now the piston is locked with the drill bit and ready for mounting. Just have to clean it off, wipe it off. When you clean this surface off, be careful to use paper that can leave bits of paper. This paper is workshop paper, so it is pretty strong. Clean this one, because if you get any paper trash in the hole, of course it will not work, and maybe you can destroy the engine. So it's very important to use the right kind of paper, or no paper at all. And we just maybe if I give the piston a little push with the Allen key, I can maybe remove the drill bit. Yeah, perfect. There you go. And be careful not to over tighten this. It's only M6, so they don't need to be tightened that much. Of course, the best way is to have a torque meter, but I don't have a small one for these small screws. So, but I think the torque in my fingers are perfect. So this will be good. Like that. And just carefully mount it back. And remember the guiding pin down there. And then just go over them one more time and feel that they are tightened, so you haven't forgot one, because you will most certainly drop it, lose it. Okay. Okay, that went really good, and now you have seen how to fix the problem with bad tension on the timing chain. Okay, of course, as I said before, after 15 years of use, cold and hot and cold and hot, this rubber seal O-ring will definitely wear out. So it's absolutely a good idea to change it. And then you will have the full oil pressure in the piston, so you will have perfectly pressure on the timing chain. Please be careful if you're going to do this reparation, this fix. Use something, as I used a towel, to prevent things from going down in the lower transmission case, because if so, you have a big problem. Otherwise, I would do it if I had a car like this, because it most certainly is necessary. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe for more videos. I will do many more videos this year. So until next time I see you, have a good day.